Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get ready for work in a flash. We're back to school, to quote Deftones, we are back to school, meaning a lot of us are back to the office. So I wanted to give you a bit of office work face, game face inspiration to sign those deals to get it all done. Yes, carry on watching if you want to see how I created this makeup. It's all focused on long wear products that are quick, 5-minute makeup, bish bash bosh, done. But in the meantime, are you subscribed to my channel? If not, you should hit that button. My page is packed full of all things beauty. I'm a beauty obsessive. I'm a pro makeup artist of 16 years and I'm here to deliver you the goods. I'm honest. I've got tons of experience where I share and help to inspire you with your makeup, your skincare, your hair care, to bring you a bit of joy and knowledge and power to you, my friend, so you can feel your best. Should we get to it? Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Come on, let's go. I'm actually going to start with blush because I've got my base on already in terms of foundation and stuff like that. And this is the NARS Orgasm Blusher, and this is the Katie Jane Hughes Blush Brush, number 5. And I'm going to place that on the apple of the cheek, brushing the product down. And that'll give me a really good placement and flush of colour. And in terms of the blush, you want to stop it in line with the nostril and iris. And then with the excess product, I just like to brush it onto my eyelid. Like so, finish it off. Well, we've just really begun, but you know what I'm trying to say. Next product I'm going to go in with is brow product. This is the Glossier Boy Brow, and this is the blonde. Even though I'm a brunette, I always use the blonde because it's slightly softer looking and it makes you look younger. I'm down for that. Brush it in whatever shape you like. I like a fluffy brow, so that's the shape I tend to do. Kind of pulling up all those hairs. Is it standing to attention? Not really sure. I was never in the army. So brush to whatever shape you like, and I like the fact that this has colour, so it tints all the hairs, covers the grey ones, and it almost touches the back, so it fills them in quite effortlessly as well. I am here for it, boo. Bloody lovely. And just even that little detail, just doing the brows and a bit of blush, it just makes you look really done. So you could just stop there. But I'm not going to. This is the perfect, getting ready in a flash for work. This is the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick in the shade Dusty Mauve. Love these because they're so long wearing, and I'm just using my finger just to blend it. So I'm blending it to just beyond the crease line, and that instantly just gives me a little something, but without being too much. Love it. So quick and easy. And you want a bit more colour, just layer it up. But it's so easy to just blend with your fingers, and it really does stay on. It's a long wear product, so you don't need to worry about it creasing. I have the oiliest eyelids known to man, and this really stays on me. Next, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs pencil this is the highliner pencil in the shade Earthquake. I'm going to tight line. So again, this will thicken the root of my lashes, so I almost look like I've got mascara on already, and I'm flicking a tiny bit on the outer corner just to give it a little kind of nod. Can you see that? It's one of my favourite long wear pencils. And with both these products, that eyeshadow and the pencil, work on one eye at a time ideally, or as soon as you apply it, smudge it, because if not it will stay and be really hard to smudge. You can do this if you wear contacts as well, just to avoid drawing on your contact. I had laser surgery many moons ago. Best thing ever. Oh, so tickly. I find tight lining is brilliant as well if you have a hooded eye, because you're not taking up precious room on your eyelid that it potentially isn't on display anymore. You're utilising what's underneath to give it more depth, to give it more focus and more punch. Tweezerman lash curlers. Let's go. Love curling my lashes. Even if you're not going to wear mascara, I really feel that they just open up your eyes. Obviously, if you've got really curly lashes, they don't make a huge difference. But look. That's why you do it. So go in at a 45-degree angle, close your eye, then once they're on, I kind of stamp down the root of the lash and I kind of grade it down the lash to get that real fluid curl. Mascara time! So I like a long wear mascara for a long working day. This is the VB mascara, and I like to do it on top and bottom. So what I do is I put it kind of on the bottom, rest my top lash down and twist it and then kind of open my eye. You can wiggle it a bit if you want a bit more volume. But you know, my idea of a work face might be different to yours because I'm quite comfortable wearing a lot of makeup. But I just love how this mascara really grips, holds, and its long wear is just sensational. It just really grabs every single lash. Love it. It's good. Very good. Just love all her products. Can we work together one day, VB? Personal request. Bloody obsessed I am. Bloody obsessed. Anyway, finishing touches, lips. Finishing touches, I'm going to do a quick lip liner. This is the okay. Dryness on my lips there. Another VB product, the number 4 lip line. Ooh. Excuse your finger if you do a mistake. Lip liner just gives you that really polished look and plumps up the lips really nicely. And I just smudge my lips to blend everything in. And this just contours them so it makes them look really plump and juicy. Then I'm going to finish off with the NARS Dolce Vita lip balm. That little something, nothing too much. You know, it's conditioning. Great if you're in an AC'd office or like got the heating blasting out. I think if anything, just a tiny bit more blush.
5 minutes later.
Cool, Lisa. There it is. That's the ticket. Hello. Yeah? Oh, sorry, what's that? Got a work call? Yeah, £1 million contract. Sign it, sealed, done, delivered. Email me. I'll send you a PDF signature immediately. Done. Let's take the clips out. I was like, where are the clips? There we go. Done. Let's bust this work season, my friends. What do you think? Would you rock this look? I love the products, I love the colours, and it's kind of creeping into those autumn colours. England doesn't know what it's doing with itself. It's really sunny one minute and then really cold the next. Like autumn just kind of hit and then it's like teasing us. And we're very much shortchanged for a summer. I digress. This is the look. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like. And let me know what other videos you'd love to see. I post daily content up on my Instagram, so check me out there. All the details are listed below. Yeah, upload every Sunday. So I'll see you next Sunday, my friends. Cheerio now. Bye. Bye.